Think you know how to stay safe online? Guess what? Most of us have been fed the same old myths for years. Stick around as we debunk the top cybersecurity myths and give you real tips to protect yourself. Ever heard the advice, never ever use public Wi-Fi? That's not the whole story. Public Wi-Fi isn't inherently evil. Sure, it can be risky if you're checking sensitive accounts without protection, but with a VPN or even just using websites with HTTPS, you can browse more safely. Mac users, this one's for you. The idea that Macs can't get viruses? Total myth. While it's true that Windows machines are targeted more often, no system is completely immune. Malware, phishing, and even ransomware can hit macOS users. If you've ever thought, I'm safe because I have a Mac, think again. We'll show you what you need to do to stay secure, no matter your device. Phishing emails aren't just obvious scams anymore. They've evolved, often looking identical to legitimate messages. Clicking on a single link can compromise your accounts and personal data. Do you think you can spot every phishing attempt? We'll share the subtle clues most people miss. One strong password isn't enough. The truth is, reusing passwords, no matter how strong, makes you vulnerable. A single breach can give attackers access to multiple accounts. Want to know the secret to truly secure accounts? Watch our channel playlist for more. Cybersecurity isn't about living in fear, it's about being smart. By understanding these myths, you'll stop wasting energy on outdated advice and start focusing on what really keeps you safe. For more no-nonsense tech tips, subscribe to installerguru. Next time you're online, will you rely on myths or will you be truly secure? Subscribe to find out.